We are back again with your COT signals. COT signals. So this video is not going to be like the previous COT signals that I post. This one is actually going to be a video that you can look at the signals and the analysis and put them on. You can actually trade the signals, okay? The previous ones I used to post, you will all agree with me that they are recorded after the whole show is done, after the signals have given us the target that we want. That is when I come to share those signals with you. I've had complaints from a few of you who wish you could trade these signals before they expire. So I've decided to do just that. So in this video, I'm going to share at least maybe 2 or 3 signals with you in this video, which are tradable. You can actually put them on your MT4 or MT5 or on your live account, or maybe if this is your first time, you can put that on your demo and see how it goes. Is that okay? So I'll be doing that more often on this channel. If you also want free signals, you can join my Telegram page. You can find the link at the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video. You'll find the link to this channel where I also share signals there for free. You can be part of that channel for free. So let's look at today's signals. The video here contains or is going to be about 3 signals at least. So the very first one is going to be GBP USD. So I will take it from FXCM. Let me take that of FXCM. So this is GBP USD. Now this is on the 1 hour time frame. You can all see that GBP has broken this line here, which is 2 major supports, okay? It has broken 2 major supports at this level here. So that should tell you that currently everyone will assume or will say that, okay, GBP USD is going to go bearish because a bigger support area here has been broken. Now, we agree, and we also want to look at another option. We believe that currently what is happening in the market, it looks like GBP USD is kind of tired, as you can see here, with a lot of consolidation, just moving at the same place, not giving you a better direction. So we are of the view that even if this bearish trend will continue, we will need to get a pullback up, if not at all, to this very same support level that was broken. So now this is going to be a resistance. So when a support level is broken, it is no more a support. So these 2 strong areas were broken. So they are no more going to be support, but rather resistance. So we anticipate that if for nothing at all, this trade should come back up here to that level. And then once it holds, then maybe we can see a drop back to the downside. But for now, we expect to see an upward movement. Is that okay? So that is going to be our first signal to look at. So if we are going to take a buy from here, then let's look at our buy 2. Let's pick our buy 2. Let's pick our buy 2. This is, I think this is our buy 2 here. Okay, let's see. So we'll put it here currently. Okay, this is rather our sell 2. Let's take it off. We want our buy 2. So we'll put it here. Good. So this is our buy 2. So let's look at it. We'll give it a stop loss of 40 pips. I think that is not bad. 40 pips is not bad. It's 41 pips now. Let's make it 40. This 40.8, 40.2. Okay, 40.2 is okay. So a stop loss of 40 pips. And then a take profit of, let's see, to that level again will be what? So let's go for maybe 80 pips. Okay. So that will be 1:2 ratio. A stop loss of 40, a take profit of 80. Back to that level. We are looking at that level. So that is what we are looking at. So this is going to be our first trade. Okay, our first trade. So we're going to leave this on, and then we can put this trade on and see how it goes. Is that okay? Okay, so let's continue. I had a call coming through, but I'm done with the call. So let's quickly continue. So this is going to be our first signal. That is GBP USD. We are looking for a buy. Okay, so let's take our next signal. We're going to leave this here. And then later on, after today, whatever happens, we will come back and look at it later on in our next video. Is that okay? So today is Wednesday, the 8th day of the month of March, the year 2022. Yes, today is International Women's Day. So to all the women watching, happy International Women's Day to you. So let's look at the next pair, Euro USD. We are going to look at Euro USD also. Okay, Euro USD is also doing the same thing. We are seeing consolidation here. Although most people, and not just most people, we can all attest to the fact that this level here was kind of broken. But it looks like that level that we saw, which was broken, is kind of a false break something. It looks like a false break. That is how we are seeing it here. So if indeed it's a false break, then we expect to see this trade going back up. Is that okay? Now, we are going to have a trend line like this. This is a trend line. Do you all agree? Something of this sort. It's a trend line. So if for nothing at all, we're expecting this trade to make a pullback, just as we are seeing a false break here, then we are expecting an up movement, if for nothing at all, back to that level, to that trend line up here. So we're going to pick our buy 2, and then we'll put it here. Is that okay? And then let's look at 30 pips stop loss, and then maybe 60 pips. There's 54, 58, 60 pips. Then we are looking at 60 pips. Okay, so 60. Okay, so good. So we are looking at 60 pips. Okay, so this is going to be our next trade. I don't want this video to be long. So we are looking at 60 pips to the upside. And then also, the last pair I want to give you is going to be either Euro AUD or Euro GBP AUD. Which one do I give you? Okay, let's go for Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD. This is going to be our third pair. Now, currently, Euro AUD made a pullback down and is going up again. But we are looking at this level here. We are looking at a level for a support. So we are looking at this level here. We expect that once this trade comes back into this zone, we can make a sell. Is that okay? That is what we are looking for. Once the trade goes back into this zone here, then we can take our sell downwards. That is what we are looking at. So if that be the case, then we'll take our sell 2, and then we'll be looking at it from this angle here. Yes, we'll be looking at the trade from that angle. So we'll have a stop loss here, a stop loss of, let's say, 50, stop loss of 50 pips, and then a take profit of 100 pips. So this is 105, 101. This is 100.6. So let's see if I can go back a bit. No. Okay, this is okay. So this is going to be our target. So we are going for a stop loss of 50 and then a take profit of what? 100. So this is going to be our Euro AUD pair sell. So we'll wait for this trade to come back up here to this entry level. Then we can take a sell. We can take a sell. All right. So these are going to be our 2 signals. So this one will be more of a pending order because we still have some time to wait. But when it comes to the GBP USD, that one is ready. Okay, that one is ready for buy. So for that one, we don't have to wait for anything. And then that of Euro USD too is also ready for a buy. So this one too, we would have to just take it. We don't have to wait for anything. So we have to take a buy on this one too. So these three signals are going to be our COT signals. And we're going to keep an eye and see how it goes. But if you need the take profit price and then the stop loss price and the rest, you can see them here. This is the take profit price here. At the right-hand corner here, you see it. On Euro USD, the take profit price is here. That's 1.06025. And then the stop loss price is also down here, the one in red. That is the stop loss price, 1.05121. So when you look at all the pairs, you will be able to see the take profits and then the stop loss. So GBP USD2, you'll see the same thing. So you can see that over here. So if you are looking for the take profit, it's here. You can see it. So the take profit is 1.19138. And then the stop loss here is 1.17931. So that is that. The same with the other currency, which is the Euro AUD. So when you go to Euro AUD, I think you will see that one too. Euro AUD. You will see that one too. So you just have to do that to know. So this one too, this is this. So you can see the prices. The stop loss is here. The stop loss is the one in red. That's 1.60816. And then the take profit is here, 1.59303. So these are the trades that I have for you as COT signals. Put them on. If you don't mind, you can go on demo or you can go live, whatever you want to do. And let's see how it goes. At the end of the week, today being Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, 9th. And then Friday is 10th. Friday, we shall have NFP. NFP news is coming tomorrow, Friday. Yes, it's coming on Friday. So I'm sure even if tomorrow, Thursday, the market doesn't move, by Friday, NFP time, the market should move and give us what we want. Is that okay? So I'll see you after this trade ends. All right. What I mean by end is whether it hits take profit or stop loss, then it means it has ended. So when it ends, we shall come back and do a review and we'll see the outcome together. All right. Thank you for watching COT Signals. I'll see you again in another video. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime we post a new signal video, you'll be the first to receive it on this channel. Until then, bye-bye for now.